with all its wonders day and night. Now I would like to call Murree from Silver Oaks School and College Rawalpindi to express their topic, finding hope in a changing world.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The earth our cradle groans with pain, but hope remains a burning flame. We must rise with voices loud and clear to heal the wounds and banish the fears. Good morning and assalamu alaikum. I'm Huya Furqan and I'm here to present my views on finding hope in a changing world. Your audience, we live in a world that endures, a world that fights back, a world that whispers of the resilience in every rustle of the leaves, every ripple of the river, and every sunshine that paints the sky with hope. This is our planet, our testament of the power of nature, our source of inspiration, and a vibrant tapestry woven with the threads of life. Respected listeners, have you ever looked around and wondered what will it become? In a world that seems to be changing faster than can comprehend, it is very easy to feel lost and overwhelmed by the challenges we face, such as climate change. Climate change is leading to extreme weather conditions, loss of biodiversity, environmental degradation, and it is rising up to sea levels. Your audience, we have a lot of problems, a lot of challenges to face. But rather than dwell on the problems, why not shift our focus towards these solutions? Right now, our Earth is facing some major challenges, such as climate change. And then comes pollution. Pollution is particularly caused by the greenhouse gases and the plastic waste. It continues to threaten our ecosystem and the public health. Additionally, deforestation and loss of habitat is leading to extinction of numerous and countless species. But my dear audience, these are not just the issues for environment. They're also leading to social inequality, because it is often the vulnerable communities that bears the brunt of these crises. Yes, we have a lot of problems, a lot of challenges to face. But rather than dwell on the problems, let's shift our focus towards the solutions. Yes, we have pollution, but we also have renewable energy sources. We have climate change, but we also have innovative technology. And yes, we have deforestation, but we also have reforestation efforts. To everyone here, remember, hope is like a seed. It needs nourishing to grow. When we all come together, communities planting trees, innovators developing sustainable technologies, and individuals trying to reduce waste, we create an environment where hope can flourish. As the poet Maya Angelou once said, hope and fear cannot occupy the same space. Invite one to stay. So let's invite hope to stay. Your audience, remember, our actions reflect our values. And every step we take towards sustainability is not just saving our environment, it is ensuring a legacy for the future generation. Here, I would like to end my speech with these words. The world is changing, the sky is ablaze, but hope still whispers in countless ways. The earth's resonance our guiding light. Together we rise to make things right. Thank you.
My love for Earth runs deep and wide.